Cleaning your dryer is an essential part of home maintenance that should not be overlooked. Here are some of the reasons why it's important to clean your dryer. Prevents fire hazards. Lint is highly flammable, and it can easily build up in your dryer vent over time. This buildup can cause your dryer to overheat and potentially catch fire. According to the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, clogged dryer vents are one of the leading causes of house fires in the US. Regularly cleaning your dryer vent can prevent this type of disaster from happening. Increases efficiency. When your dryer vent is clogged with lint and debris, it restricts the airflow, making your dryer work harder to dry your clothes. This can result in longer drying times and higher energy bills. By keeping your dryer vent clean, you can help your dryer work more efficiently, which will save you money on your energy bills. Extends the life of your dryer. When your dryer is working harder than it needs to, it can cause unnecessary wear and tear on the machine. This can lead to costly repairs and a shorter lifespan for your dryer. By cleaning your dryer vent regularly, you can help extend the life of your dryer and avoid the need for costly repairs. Improves indoor air quality. When your dryer vent is clogged, it can prevent proper ventilation, which can lead to a buildup of dust and other particles in your home. This can negatively impact indoor air quality and exacerbate allergies and other respiratory issues. By cleaning your dryer vent regularly, you can improve the indoor air quality of your home. In conclusion, cleaning your dryer is not just a matter of keeping your home clean and tidy, it's a matter of safety and efficiency. Regularly cleaning your dryer vent can prevent house fires, reduce energy bills, extend the life of your dryer, and improve indoor air quality. It's a simple yet essential task that every homeowner should prioritize.